Despite what you may think, behind me is no longer the Lancer GTS. This thing's been a long time coming, and boy, has it been worth the wait. There you go. Just like that. I think it's working, guys. That's nice. There's snow beside my manifold and my turbo. Someone explain to me how that got there. Today is a day that's been stressing me out for a while, but it's finally time that it gets done. It seems like it's okay. A little bit of a black tip with a white anode or electrode. Oh, not good. Not good. Not what I was hoping for. Hi, the Evo exploded. The turbo exploded, more specifically. And it still smells like blown turbo in here. If you're wondering what that smells like, simmering coolant and oil in a pressure cooker. A little vaporizer action going on. It smells very bad. It smells very bad. And trust me, I'm depressed. And the tow truck driver scrapped my inner tie rod. Here's a picture. Absolutely scrapped my inner tie rod, taking it off the truck. So I have to deal with that too now. So life is life's being life, you know. Stuff happens in life. And I'm gonna go start taking apart the intake side. Taking apart anything really, it really reeks of blown turbo in here. I'm gonna just start taking things apart and see what I can do, because this car can't move or run. How's it going, guys? I got hood dampeners for this car. We're gonna go right there and there and hook somewhere up to there. This better be good. You're going? Changing the oil? Hey, let me just... Money. Alright guys, that's how you install whatever these are called. These things work super great. Carbon fiber, and there you go. Side by side. Precisely where it broke. As you can see, this would go here normally. We got these beautiful Rotor Pros. Oh, it's like all apart. Is the Brom harness bar for this car. You know who sent you a bunch of stuff. Your guys at Avalon King, and I tell you, I cannot wait to put on these amazing ceramic coating products.